Do you have knee pain? One of the reasons may be the plantar, the tissue on the bottom of the feet. Now it's important to keep this healthy. So if you're seeing a therapist and you got knee pain, hip pain, because this can go all the way up. Basically, if this tissue here goes tight, it can rotate the foot in like this, causing the shin here to tighten up and have an impact on your knee over here. So the way, put your foot back down, bro. So the way you want to do it is you want to keep it healthy. So you want to grafton it off first. You want to grafton it up and keep the tissue nice and healthy. And then once you're finished, you want to try and just gun it all down for you as well. Hope that helps.